Hello, my name is Laisha Nunez. This is my beautiful baby Ariel. She is my princess and someone that I have committed the last few months with. She is probably the best thing that has ever happened to me in my life. She is someone that I can't wait to spend my life with. This is my story of my beautiful baby Ariel. She loves to sleep all the time. She sleeps all day and only wakes up when she is wet, hungry, or cold. When she is awake, I try both breastfeed and also give her formula. I choose to do both because it is better for her, so she can get used to both, which makes it easier to stop her from breastfeeding once she is older. And I am worried that she is sleeping a little too much. As you can tell, she sleeps in most of her photos because it is hard to get a picture of her when she is awake. Should I be worried or not? Another thing that also seems she's also seems very skinny, weighed only 4.5 pounds when she was born, hasn't gained much weight after 3 months. I have asked the doctors, but they say that she is fine. I believe that it might not be healthy for her because I don't want my baby to get sick from being underweight. Other than that, she has grown up a bit and is very happy baby who I love with. She has a beautiful smile, beautiful eyes. She brings happiness into my life. I love her so much. Also, my baby Ariel is my whole world, and I can't wait for her to grow up. I am very excited for her to grow up that I have even started to plan her birthday party. I am planning on having a big party that has lots of balloons, cake, piñata, jumper, and cupcakes. Even if she might not remember it, I want her to have a great birthday party.